Perfect Teint Illuminator is a light reflecting illuminator. Makes any signs of fatigue, wrinkles or shadows disappear. It's coming with this beautiful packaging. It's totally easy to apply. Just have to twist up a bit and apply on your face, and then you get fresh complexion. Now let's apply the Perfect Teint Illuminator. Let's add a bit luminosity on her skin. Just take the product, turn it on the product, and then it's coming a bit product here, and you can go straight away with the brush applicator.